Let us look at some ways to survive a recession. Try to diversify your income. One of the riskiest things that you can do during a recession is to be dependent on one source of income. If your job isn't in a recession-proof industry, this is your opportunity to try to put for a side hustle or to seek into diversifying your income so that you have a few sources to depend on. Also, one can apply for part-time work or try something new so that you have a few income streams to save yourself and your family. Thank you for watching this video. I have prepared a complimentary mini course on the topic, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession. This course is now available on our website, and you can access this course by clicking the link given in description. So grab your copy right now.